We're gonna try to save this old Suzuki Samurai, but I'm not sure it's even possible. Anyways, sawa to Podge.
Hi there. Somehow that got through roadworthy.
I don't think this is gonna hold water. This Suzuki Samurai belongs to a friend of mine. It's been standing for years. It's never really run right, and we want to make it run good again without spending too much money, and then hopefully make it look nice too. Neither of us are experts, and we also haven't done bodywork before. It's not my strong point, but we're going to see if it's possible for two normal guys like us to sort out the Suzuki. But it's got a lot of rust. Doesn't look too bad back here. I think the rust is in the front. The rust in the back doesn't look too bad. This looks this still looks good. Mine is the same as that. All this is just fraud, but we can. So this 1990-ish Suzuki Samurai has been standing here for how long?
A couple of days, maybe 6 months.
Oh, well, I remember seeing this a year ago, and it was standing right there under the bushes. So it's been standing for a while. Hasn't run in a very long while. It did ran before sometime long ago.
Yeah, no. When I bought it, it was working.
Okay, yeah, so
My neglect basically means it hasn't worked.
ran when parked. Anyway, so we're going to try to save this cheaply and maybe even make it look cool. Put new plywood in there or just remove it.
Yeah, I think between those two, we just kind of build a template.
Yeah, I think the worst rust is in the bonnet, under the bonnet.
Yeah. Well, there is here as well. I don't know whether you've seen this before.
It's like a Flintstones.
It is definitely like.
You don't need brakes or. Eee, lekker. Nice.
Somehow that got through roadworthy.
I put that there last time. That was just to prevent the battery from falling through.
Yes.
That's why I also bent this down. It's supposed to stand up like this one. And all the cable ties was also.
Yeah. Okay, so we definitely need to just. What do we do? Chop that out. But I see what you mean. It's the battery that's corroding.
Exactly, the battery acid that comes out.
So bad, does it?
I don't think this is gonna hold water.
That one, yeah, it doesn't look so good. Did you leave the keys in it yesterday, Daniel?
In here?
Yeah, somebody could have stolen them.
Just imagine that, yeah.
I really forgot it.
And then they would have brought it back the next day, you know that. Sorry, we made a mistake.
It doesn't look too bad underneath.
Not.
Yeah, the rust is mostly there under the battery. The plan for now is to just get it to run. It needs to drive 500 meters to my place so we can start working on it. If we can't get it to run properly, we'll have to tow it. Is that the fuel pump working in the back? There was electric pump.
But when you
Oh, it's
when you start it, the petrol is coming.
Is it coming out?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Daniel, you're going out to 1 million YouTube subscribers, so say hi. Daniel got it working.
Otherwise, we miss the good stuff when the fire comes out. I think your battery might be dead. But did you charge it again after?
Yeah, I did, yeah. I charged it last night
Last night.
and got it all the way up to green.
Just turn it like that, otherwise I have to make sure.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I think let's hook it up and tow it. looks like there's no spark. It could be a whole bunch of things, but we're gonna just tow it back home and then we'll go through everything over the next few days. Let's hope it has brakes. Oh, like fun and games. Last time we actually pushed it up here, 3 people, but that took probably half an hour and it's only 500 meters. That thing's so light, it feels like I'm not doing anything. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just a brief crank, like a... Ah, okay, there's no spark at all. It doesn't even, there's not even a weak spark.
So there's something here?
Yep, yeah. We got it home and confirmed that there's no spark. So in the next video, we're gonna try to get it running without spending any money, and hopefully then we can start making it look nice. This is gonna be a fun one. Thank you for joining. See you next time.